Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are continuing on with our Temu haul of earrings. I've broken them up into categories. So there's separate videos for each category of the type of earrings I bought. So right now is the food category. Yes, I found a food category of earrings and I have 4 pairs of earrings to show you from the food category. So first off, oh my god, how cute are those? Pringles earrings, you guys! Look how cute! So now, my best friend's favorite chip is Pringles, and I would love to get her a pair like this, but her ear holes have closed. Because I was going to give these to Lori. I was going to get 2 pair, one for me and one for Lori, but she doesn't have earring holes anymore, she said, so. Anyway, look how cute. So they're the white on the back and the color on the front. And they have the hoop earring with the little plastic backing. I love these little plastic backings. I usually, if I get a metal backing, I almost always replace it with the plastic because I find them much more comfortable. So, Pringles chips. And I thought these would be cute for Halloween. Although, I probably will go back and do a Halloween order. Let me just move this over. So, and then Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. How cute are these earrings? They are so cute. And now I'm going to have to get an earring holder because I don't have really any way to display my earrings. Or I have a little tiny jewelry box and that's it. And my jewelry box is like one of those travel ones that I actually bought on Temu. So the next time I make an order, I'm going to have to find a way to display them. And this is supposed to be open. Like, I can see where it's bent over. And I just can't find it. My constant, unending struggle with opening bags, right? I'm going to just have to cut it open. So these also have the plastic backing, which I prefer, which is awesome. You can see the plastic backing. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Those are so cute. 30% more. I love them. Like, these are so cute. And they're orange, so that's perfect for wearing at Halloween time. And I have plain Lay's potato chip. Now, Lay's aren't my favorite chip. My favorite plain chip are the Hostess Ripples, but I couldn't find them. So, I do like plain chips. And if I could have found little things of dip, I would have got that too. So, aren't these adorable? These are so freaking cute. Chip earrings! And I will wear these. I will have no trouble wearing these. And last but not least, Doritos! So I swear, if I were trick-or-treating, I would wear these. Although, I do, like I said, want to get some Halloween ones, like pumpkins or something. So, I'm having a hard time getting these out. Why? And Doritos. And again, these come with a little plastic... Oh! They don't come with a little plastic backing. These come with no backings at all. Huh. I wonder why. Did these ones have backings? No. So these 2 pairs of earrings came from the same company, and they don't come with backings. And these 2 came from the same company, and they did come with the little plastic backings. And let me just bring these closer to show you how flipping cute these are. Like, these are just adorable. And I couldn't make them for the prices they're asking. So hang on and I'll tell you the prices in a second. Alright, so for the food earrings, the chip ones were $1.34 each. So $1.34 for the Lay's and $1.34 for the Doritos. And it's cheaper to buy Dorito earrings than actual Doritos. And these were also $1.34 each. So, and these are called Funny Creative Snack Dangling Earrings. And I love them. So out of them all, I would say my favorite one are the Pringles and the Lay's. But they're all cute, and I love them all. And I love chocolate bars. So yeah, these are so cute. Which ones are your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Too cute. Alright guys, so that is it for the food-based earrings. We are here with a continuation of our Temu earring haul. So I've broken them up into themes, and I've just got a really small theme one today. There's just 2 earrings in this set. And this just set is like random animals and birds. So let's show you. All the other sets had like 4 or more. This is the only one with 2. But look how pretty. I couldn't resist these. I think they're adorable. Aren't those beautiful? I love birds and I love stones, and that looks like a little stone in the bird. And it's silver and just gorgeous. So they don't have backings, but they're beautiful. Aren't those pretty? So that is the first little mini set. And the next set are squirrels. So yeah, I could have probably put the squirrels in with one of the other sets, but I decided the squirrels and the birds will be together. I love squirrels, you guys. Look how cute. And he's holding a nut. Oh my god. And these also come with backings. So, let me tell you what I paid for these. The squirrel was $1.97. And the birds are called Vintage Branch Plastic, and they were $1.79. So $1.97 and $1.79. And let me bring these up so you can see them better. Aren't they cute? Now, I like them both. And I want to say I like the squirrels better because I love squirrels, but I also love birds. Now, the birds ones are more dressy, and like you could wear that with a dress. You could wear that to go out and not feel weird about them. And the squirrel ones are more eccentric kind of earrings. But I love them both. So I don't know if I could pick. I really do love the bird ones, but the squirrels are so cute. Yeah, I can't pick. Like, I can see me wearing the bird ones, like, with anything. They would look nice with jeans. They would look nice with a dress. Whereas the squirrel ones I wouldn't wear if I was dressed up. Like, if I was going out on an evening, I wouldn't wear the squirrel ones. But the squirrels are fun for day, for going for a walk at the park. Yeah. So, that was just a very quick video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all of those good things, and let me know if you have a favorite. The birds or the squirrels. And one last time, birds or squirrels? I don't know. They're both so cute. All right, guys, take care and stay safe. Bye.